We live in a world that moves fast, faster than our hands can keep up, faster than our hearts sometimes understand. When something breaks today, we replace it. When a button falls off, we buy a new shirt. When a handle loosens, we throw the mug away. But once, long ago, people paused, they repaired, they mended. This is the lost art of mending, and it's more than just fixing things. It's a way of caring. To mend means to give something a second life. It means stitching what is torn, gluing what is cracked, tightening what is loose. But deeper than that, mending means refusing to give up on something just because it's imperfect. A small tear in a cloth doesn't make it useless. A scratch on a table doesn't erase its beauty. In fact, these marks tell stories. They tell us this object has lived. There was a time when every household had a sewing kit. Needles, thread, spare buttons kept carefully in a small box. Shoes were repaired by cobblers, clothes were passed down, altered, adjusted. Furniture was polished, not discarded. Today, convenience has replaced care. It's cheaper to buy new than to fix, easier to replace than to repair. But with every object we throw away, we also throw away patience, skill, and respect. Caring for your belongings teaches mindfulness. When you wash clothes gently, when you store them neatly, when you fix them instead of discarding, you slow down. You begin to notice textures. You feel the weight of objects in your hands. You remember where things came from. Caring creates connection. You stop seeing things as disposable and start seeing them as companions in daily life.
Think of a shirt you love. Maybe it's old, maybe the colour has faded, maybe the fabric is thin, but it holds memories, moments, comfort. When you mend that shirt, you're not just fixing fabric, you're saying, I still choose you. Mending is quiet love. Love without urgency. Love without perfection. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need expensive tools. Start small. Sew a loose button back on. Patch a small tear. Glue a cracked handle. Polish wooden furniture. Oil a rusty hinge. Fold clothes properly. Store items with care. These tiny actions extend the life of things and also extend your awareness. In some cultures, mending is meant to be seen. Stitches are bold, threads are colourful, patches stand out. This is called visible mending. Instead of hiding damage, it celebrates repair. It says, this was broken and it was cared for. Imperfection becomes beauty. Repair becomes art. Every item you mend saves resources, less water used, less energy wasted, less trash in landfills. But beyond environmental impact, mending changes mindset. You stop chasing constant newness. You begin valuing what already exists. Sustainability starts at home, in quiet moments with needle and thread. Children learn by watching. When they see adults repair things, they learn patience, they learn responsibility, they learn gratitude. Teach them that broken doesn't mean useless, that care is more powerful than replacement. These lessons last longer than objects. Mending requires time, and time is something modern life tries to steal. But slowing down is not weakness, it is resistance. When you mend, you resist waste, you resist hurry, you resist forgetting. You choose intention over impulse. Tonight, look around your home. Is there something torn, something loose, something cracked but still useful? Instead of throwing it away, pause, pick it up, care for it, mend it. Because when you care for your belongings, you quietly learn how to care for life itself.